Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to organize by date in Google Sheets. So in order to sort your table by date, first you will have to select the table. So select the table like this, and once your table is selected, press Data right here and click Sort Range. Here it will expand this menu where you have to click Advanced Range Sorting Options. If your table has a header row, you will have to select this box, Data has header row, and now select what you want to sort it by. So I want to sort by sale date and from A to Z, so basically from the first one to the last one, and press sort. Now your table is sorted from the oldest to the newest. If you want to sort it from the newest to the oldest, just simply select Data, Sort Range, Advanced Rate Options, and change it to Z from A. Now sort. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.